Today I want to show us jackfruit which fell from a tree here right on the road. So I noticed on my channel that people like to look at jackfruit movies, and this is not the one which will be used in the kitchen. It fell like that naturally. So this is how the nature would handle this. It's getting rotten. Some animals are coming to start to eat it, and I will now smash it to show you how that fruit is actually. It's very big. Look at my hand. It's somehow soft. It's like a reptile, and it's fascinating to imagine that this fruit existed already in the time of the dinosaurs. Now I don't have a knife now. I will just step on it to smash it. Oh, there's shit. It's hard. I will try to break it. Oh shit! My shoe is also gone. Wait, oh, this is a disaster. Alright, I lost my shoe. I tried to break that jackfruit with the feet now. So you see there are some things coming out there. Come. Oh, these are attracting attention of everybody on that roadside. You have these little seeds inside which are also edible. They can be cooked, and I will now break that skin, that is really like a reptile. Trying to break that skin open now. It's very warm inside because of the sun. I don't succeed to do it that way. But here you have actually something yellow. Again that seed. Here's that yellow meat, which is tasting like a fruit. Look. So when this is done with a knife, you can prepare that for your kitchen. Now I just improvised like that. Jackfruits are very, very interesting vegetables, or fruit actually, and they can be eaten in salty meals and also as a dessert like a fruit. Probably this thing I could eat now, but I'm not really in the mood. Okay. Here you see that seed coming out, which is like a bean, can be eaten. And this is for free. Just fell down from that tree. Crashed. Imagine if this falls on you. I wash my hand now.